Hello student, today I am going to explain you your grammar topic question tag. Let's start. First, you want to know what are question tag. Simply, the short question after the statement is called a question tag. Example, he is a good boy, isn't he? Rohan did not work hard, did he? Isn't he and did he? These are the short question which we use after the statement. These short questions are called question tags. Next is why we use question tags. Question tags are used when asking for agreement or confirmation. For example, we want to confirm our statement, then we use question tag. There are two types of question tags: positive question tag and negative question tag. Where we use positive question tag and where we use negative question tag, we will understand in next slide. Now, next is how to make question tag. Rule number 1. If the given statement is positive, the question tag is in the negative. And if the statement is negative, the question tag is in the positive. Look at example. She is preparing well. It is statement and it is positive statement. So we use negative question tag. Isn't she? You can solve this sum. Can't you? She helped Tom, didn't she? I am innocent in the matter, aren't I? But look at the sentence number 4. If there is helping verb am, we will not use am I or am not I. With am, we will use aren't I. He has done nothing wrong, has he? Now this is a negative statement, so we use a positive question tag, has he? They will never disobey the rule, will they? In this sentence, never, which is showing the negative meaning, so we use positive question tag, will they? The people do not leave their habits. Do not, negative statement, so positive question tag, do they? Student, I hope you will understand this rule. If our statement will be positive, then we will use negative question tag. If our statement is negative, then we will use positive question tag. One more important thing, if our sentence starting with I am, then you will use aren't I. Now, rule number 2. Use the same tense in which the statement is made. For example, you are going on leave, aren't you? This sentence is in present tense, so we use the question tag in present. She speaks English fluently. This statement is in simple present, so we use the question tag in simple present tense, doesn't she? They will visit us tomorrow. This statement is in future, simple future tense, so we use wouldn't they? The students came early. This statement is in simple past tense, so we use the question tag in past tense, didn't they? So in this rule, if your statement is in past, you will use past question tag. If your statement is in future tense, then use future question tag. Means you will use your question tag according to the tense of your statement. Now, rule number 3. Use the pronoun as the subject of the question tag. We will use the pronoun according to the subject of our statement. Gayatri will not oblige you. In this statement, Gayatri is the subject. In question tag, we use she because Gayatri is a girl and we use pronoun she for girls. Will she? India is a progressive country, isn't it? In the next sentence, India is a neuter gender, so we use the pronoun it. The people of this area are modern, aren't they? The principal wants to deliver a lecture, doesn't he and she? Principal is a common noun, so we can use pronoun she or he. Now, rule number 4 and 5. Both the rules are important. Mark them important. In case of imperative sentences, we use will or wouldn't. For example, help me. Will you or wouldn't you? In imperative sentence, we can use negative and positive both question tags. Don't cry. Will you? Now, rule number 5. In case of let's question, we use shall we. Let's have some fun. Shall we? If your statement is starting with let's, then you always use shall we question tag. Now, our last rule, rule number 6. When a sentence begins with there, this or that, we use is, are, was, were depending upon the verb in the statement. For example, there is no one at home. Is there? There was a house. Wasn't there? If our statement is negative, then use positive question tag. If your sentence is positive, then use negative question tag according to the tense. One more thing, after the main statement, put a comma, then question tag. I hope you will understand the concept of question tag and why we use question tag and how we can make question tag for our statements.